When it comes to replacing or installing new double-hung windows in Ferndale, choosing the right material is crucial for ensuring longevity, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal. Double-hung windows, known for their versatility and traditional charm, offer homeowners the flexibility to open both the top and bottom sashes. Whether you're upgrading your home or building a new one, the material you choose for your windows will impact their durability and performance. Here's a guide to the best materials for long-lasting double-hung windows in Ferndale. Vinyl. The modern, low-maintenance choice. Vinyl is one of the most popular materials for double-hung windows due to its exceptional durability and low maintenance. Vinyl windows are designed to withstand the harshest weather conditions, including the rainy and snowy winters often experienced in Ferndale. Vinyl frames don't require painting, sealing, or sanding, which saves homeowners time and money over the years. Moreover, vinyl windows offer excellent insulation properties. The material is resistant to moisture, so there's no risk of warping, rotting, or corrosion, ensuring that your windows maintain their functionality for decades. With energy efficiency at the forefront of modern homebuilding, vinyl is a top contender thanks to its ability to reduce heat loss and keep your home comfortable year-round. This makes it ideal for homeowners looking to lower their heating and cooling bills. Wood. Timeless elegance and insulation. For homeowners who value a more classic aesthetic and are willing to invest in maintenance, wood remains a top choice for double-hung windows. Wood windows offer unparalleled beauty and can be stained or painted to match any home's interior or exterior. This timeless appeal makes wood a favorite for homeowners who are restoring historic properties or who want to add a touch of elegance to their home in Ferndale. In addition to their beauty, wood windows provide excellent insulation. Wood naturally regulates temperature and can help improve energy efficiency in your home. However, the maintenance of wood windows is something to consider. Over time, wood may warp or rot if not properly maintained, especially in humid or rainy conditions. Regular sealing and painting are necessary to protect the wood from the elements. While it requires a bit more upkeep than vinyl or fiberglass, the warmth and aesthetic value that wood brings to your home can be well worth the effort. Fiberglass. Superior strength and energy efficiency. Fiberglass windows are becoming increasingly popular in Ferndale due to their strength, longevity, and energy efficiency. Made from glass fibers and resin, fiberglass is highly durable and resistant to warping, cracking, or expanding due to temperature changes. This makes fiberglass windows ideal for the fluctuating climate in Ferndale, where both freezing winters and warm summers are common. Fiberglass frames are also excellent at insulating your home. They can help maintain a comfortable indoor temperature while lowering your energy consumption. While fiberglass windows are often more expensive than vinyl or wood, their durability and energy-saving properties make them a smart investment for homeowners looking for low-maintenance and long-lasting windows. Aluminum. Sleek and strong aluminum windows have long been used in commercial settings, but they are now gaining popularity in residential homes, particularly for homeowners seeking a sleek, modern look. Aluminum double-hung windows are known for their strength and slim profile. This allows for larger panes of glass, giving your home an expansive view of the outdoors. While aluminum is durable and resistant to the elements, it is not as energy efficient as vinyl or fiberglass. Aluminum frames can conduct heat, which may allow your home to lose warmth in the winter and absorb heat during the summer. To counter this, many manufacturers now offer thermally broken aluminum frames that provide better insulation. Aluminum is a great option for homeowners who prioritize aesthetics and durability but may require more attention when it comes to energy efficiency. Composite materials. The best of both worlds. Composite windows combine the benefits of wood and synthetic materials, such as fiberglass or PVC, to create a product that offers superior performance and low maintenance. These windows are designed to resist the common issues that affect wood and vinyl windows, such as rotting, fading, or warping. The result is a long-lasting and durable window that offers the warmth and beauty of wood, without the upkeep. Composite materials are often used in high-end window designs, and they provide excellent thermal insulation and noise reduction. They are also highly resistant to the elements, making them an excellent choice for Ferndale homeowners looking for both style and functionality. Conclusion. Choosing the right material for your home. When selecting double-hung windows for your Ferndale home, it's important to weigh the pros and cons of each material based on your needs. Vinyl offers low maintenance and energy efficiency, while wood provides classic charm and warmth. Fiberglass offers strength and insulation, while aluminum brings a sleek modern look. Composite materials offer the best of both worlds, combining beauty with durability. By considering factors such as climate, maintenance preferences, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal, you can make an informed decision that will keep your home looking beautiful and functioning efficiently for years to come. Whether you opt for the practical benefits of vinyl or the timeless elegance of wood, Ferndale homeowners have many excellent choices to ensure their double-hung windows are built to last.